Once again, could you please help me in welcoming up our next panel speaker, Reflex from MicroGPT.
Yo, hi. Oh, this is nice. A little bit nervous. It's my first talk in front of like how many people here? But yeah, hi everyone. Thank you for coming. And today we'll be talking about a few things. Why ChatGPT can't replace developers. It might, but for now it can't. And this presentation is made by, if you can't guess, ChatGPT himself. Yeah. Also, actually, we'll be talking about how you can leverage AI nowadays as a developer. And then we'll talk about how MicroGPT does all of that. I don't know why it went to this slide, but it is what it is. So the first way you can leverage AI as a developer is to productivity. A lot of us developers are actually very slow because we're juniors, and the senior ones are also slower. So one of the ways to boost productivity is to use AI. For example, if you want to write a script and you don't want to spend too much time coding, you go to ChatGPT, say, write me a script that does this, this, and this, and this, and it will write it. That's one of the ways. It does speed up development, and especially for junior developers. And also, it's very reliable. Most of the time, there's no syntax issues, so you don't have to spend the next 20 hours banging your head on the table trying to find where the semicolon is. Nowadays, there are tools for that, but ChatGPT does help with that. And also, AI is much better than humans at communication. You can build a lot of chatbots right nowadays to have supporting tools or whatever. If you've heard of PAL, there's a lot of them out there that have customer support using AI. Because humans have to sleep, AI doesn't. It can go down, but that's a different topic. I still have 8 minutes. Let's just pause for a little bit because I have a lot of time and there's like 2 slides left. All right. The other issue with AI is the fact that, my partner said, anyways, the other issue with AI is the fact that you can't put an entire software with it. Like you can't paste your entire GitHub repository in ChatGPT and tell it, what's wrong? That's a big limitation when it comes to ChatGPT. And MicroGPT doesn't solve that, but it's a limitation with AI right now, and that's why it does not replace developers at the moment. Thank you, sir. So introducing MicroGPT. Read whatever's on the slide. I don't know where it is. Oh, there's a lot of them. Holy. Let me just check my notes. Yeah, MicroGPT again. I don't know what this is, but. So how MicroGPT helps developers synchronization, productivity, and everything like that is with MicroAlerts. So the problem a lot of time is you have non-technical founders in startups, and the issue is they hire developers thinking that they would solve all their problems. And then the developers are they don't have social skills, they don't talk. So they end up being in the dark most of the time whenever they make a change, right? So MicroAlerts solves that problem. Solution. Basically, what it does is you connect it to your GitHub repository, and every time a change happens on that repository, the main branch, I think, it will understand that change. Let's say you added a button or something, and it will make an announcement on specific channels. So we'll make an announcement on specific channels. So you connect it to Slack, WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, whatever it is, and it will make a human-readable announcement. So this could also be used in the Web3 ecosystem, where a lot of communities have developers that never update the community. So most of the time, the community is left in the dark, wondering one update, one change, one moon. So what this does is whenever your developers, as a project, make a change to your platform, they get an announcement in Telegram right away. And it's, again, human readable, so you don't have to be technical to understand the changes that happen. So the way we do this is by basically connecting a GitHub repository to on our dashboard, and then the AI model understands what your repository is about, and then whenever you make a change, it will understand the change, make an announcement. You are able to modify the template as well. But it's free, so try it out, app.microgpt.something.io. And if you want to get in touch with me, you can scan that massive QR code, or go to our website, or email me. I don't know who uses email nowadays, but yeah, that's the QR code. Thank you guys. I still have 6 minutes. I can take questions. No, I'm kidding. All right, have a good one, guys. Thank you.